Come on, easy now. Just a little further. That's it, we're in. We're safe now.
You're safe now. Just rest. I'm here.
Copy that.
We're setting up the triage tent. Keep me updated.
I see something.
Near the woodpile. Hold one. Okay. Stay still. Let me see that leg. It's bad. I've reached it. It's injured. I need help getting it back. Copy. Stay with the reindeer. Help is on the way. You're gonna be okay. Just rest. Let me check your breathing. I know that hurts. Try not to move it. Just hang in there a little longer. Okay, that's enough. We need to get you inside. Now. You're gonna be all right. Oh. Just hold still. That's it. Keep the heat in. There we go. All right, easy now. Just a little at a time. Keep calm, we're almost there. All right, easy there. Just a little further. Almost got it, just breathe. You're doing so well. Just a little further. Thank you. All right, just a little further. Almost over this. Almost there. Just a little further. We're safe now. You're safe now. Let's get that leg comfortable.
Gentle.
Gentle, that's it. Almost there, little one. It's gonna feel better soon. Quiet breath. You're safe now. Just rest. It's okay. Easy. You can drink. Just a little. That's it. Keep still, little one. This will help. Keep still, friend. It'll feel better in a moment. Ooh, keep it on there. Just for a bit longer. It's okay. Take your time. Just a little. That's it. Good job. Animal sound. It's okay. Just a little. That's it. Good girl. The snow's picking up out there. We need to hurry. You're doing so well. Here, have a drink. That's it, on your own.
The storm's turning. We need to move. Now!
The weather's turning fast. I need to get back. I've got the wood.
Good, the storm's getting bad.
I see it. All right, just a little more wood. Gotta keep you warm. There, blankets are better now. Comfortable? No, it's too bad. We can't go anywhere in this. The storm won't break. We're here for the night. No, no, no. Easy, take it slow. Here, I've got you. Slowly now, back down. Good, that's good.
Gently, gently, that's it. Let's get you down safely. Just rest now.
Not enough. I need more of this. Ugh. But I'm almost out. Come on, you can do it. Just keep breathing. Don't give up on me now. The storm has peaked. We have to do it now. Indoors.
Come on, eat up. That's a good girl. You need your strength back. All right, just gonna loosen this a little. There, that feels better. Just hold on.
Base, this is Rescuer. Conditions are clear. Over. All right, big guy, easy now. Just a little further. Let's try this. You're doing great. You're doing great. Easy now. Just a little further.
You're doing so well, my friend. We're almost there.
Almost done, little one. You're gonna be all right. Here's one last treat. Ready to go back outside? You're doing so well, my girl. Take it slow. We're almost there. She's standing, independent. We've got a successful recovery. You've got this. Take your time. Careful. She's moving better now.
Snowstorm is limited.